At the back of the camera, we have 12 buttons. At the top left of the panel, we have the playback button. This will let you view the photos you have taken. Next is the menu button. This button will display the menus for the settings of the camera. The menus available are Playback, where you can adjust playback settings and manage photos. Next is Shooting, where you can adjust shooting settings. Custom Settings, where you can personalize camera settings. Setup, where you can format memory cards and perform basic camera setup. Retouch, where you can create retouch copies of existing photographs. And lastly, Recent Settings, where you can select from 20 most recently used menu items. Below that button is the Help or Protect button. If there is a question mark displayed at the bottom left corner of the monitor while viewing some settings at the menu selection, press this button and the description of the selected option will be displayed. Hold it so you can finish reading the description. This button is also used to protect the photos from accidental deletion. Now, you can see that if you press this button, there will be a key that will appear on the upper left corner of the screen. This button may also serve as the white balance button when you are in shooting mode. The second to the last button is the thumbnail or playback zoom out button. This is used in order to display images in contact sheets of 4, 9, or 72 images. This button may also serve as the ISO button in shooting mode. The last button on the panel is the playback zoom in button. This is used to zoom in on the image displayed on the monitor, just like this. This button may also serve as the image quality or size button. At the upper right corner of the eyepiece cup, you will see the diopter adjustment control. This is used to accommodate individual differences in vision. At the right side of the eyepiece cup, you will see the AEL or AFL button. This button is used to change the composition after focusing, while making it possible to focus on a subject that will not be in a focus point in the final composition. Focus lock is most effective when single point, dynamic area, or 3D tracking. At the left side of the eyepiece cup, you will see the delete button. Press OK to cancel if you don't want to delete that photo. Then press the delete button twice to delete the photo. At the right side of the monitor, you will see the live view button. If you are in a shooting mode and you want the monitor to be your viewfinder, just press this button. This is also recommended when you are going to shoot a video. Below the live view button, you will see the multi-selector and the OK button that is used to navigate the camera menus. Below the multi-selector is the focus selector lock. This enables the multi-selector to be used to select the focus point. The last button is the information display or quick settings display button. When you press the button, the shooting information including the shutter speed, aperture, number of exposures remaining, and AF mode is displayed. Press it again to change the selected settings. To clear shooting information from the monitor, press this button for the third time or press the shutter release halfway.